Hi, I'm Declan Conway. I'm based at the Grantham Research Institute on Climate Change and Environment at the London School of Economics. I'm out in South Africa visiting the University of Cape Town, primarily for attending a workshop for a research program called Future Climate for Africa. I have a research project within that called UMFULA. We have some collaborators at UCT, and I thought I would take the opportunity to come in and give a seminar whilst I was here for the workshop. So I have long-term expertise in climate change and environmental change, particularly focusing on water resources and environment in developing countries. Well, China historically has experienced many climate disasters related to floods and food security and famine. So it's highly sensitized and aware of some of the problems that climate variability and extreme events represent for it. China still has roughly 400 million people who are agriculturally based, so they are strongly exposed to the sorts of events that both climate variability and future climate change could bring them. There is a lot of new infrastructure being constructed in China which is going to be exposed to new types of hazards or more intense hazards. So the country needs to be thinking very carefully about what it can do to try to reduce some of the risks related to changing climate. So I don't know exactly when climate change first appeared in the 5-year plans, but it's definitely the case that it has generated much more attention in more recent plans, and particularly the 12th 5-year plan, the most recent one from 2011 to 2015, has considerable attention both on mitigation but also on adaptation, recognising the threat that climate change represents to the country and the need for a national level but also a provincial level to begin to undertake planning processes to try to consider some of the risks that climate change will represent.